Today I'm going to show you how to make a New Year's noise maker with just like a little metal tin. Like if you've got one of these, they're these little puzzles that come in like these little tins, and they have like a hole right here so you can hang them. I don't know, here, so you can hang them. So first, here are the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need some stretchy, I forgot what this is called, some stretchy bracelet tape, not tape, string, which you can get at the dollar store. That's good. And you are going to cut the desired amount that you would like. I'm going to use this much. And then you need to fill it with something. So I'm using beads, jewels, and buttons. And first, you're going to start by running a string through that hole. And if yours doesn't hold, if yours opens and closes really, really easily, I recommend you use some tape. So I'm just going, so I got it threaded through. And now you're going to add your jewels, a desired amount that you want to be put in there. So like, let's say I put like 1, 2, 6 of these jewels in like a small container, so it would be like, but I'm going to go for like a medium kind of noise. So, and you can do this with like beans, you can put them in there. And yeah, and I'm going to do this with beads, jewels, and buttons. Again, put your desired amount. Buttons. Yeah, you can use, like, I recommend the small buttons, but you can use any size just to see how that works. I'm going to use a big enough. Okay, I got this open. Probably my dog. Ugh. That was really hard. Oh, I'm going to fill the other half with buttons. So, a few big buttons. And then you close it, and mine closes not that easily. Or really, it doesn't open easily. So on New Year's, you could just go like, or you can go like, well, actually, I'm going to take the buttons out. See how that sounds? I don't, because then I might just be using one item. Oh, and look at that. They all mixed together. What a lovely thing when everything mixes together. Have to get rid of these jewels. Put them back in my thing. In my little canister so I can make something for New Year's. And if you don't pour them on the floor, I recommend that. I'm just putting a few beads and buttons taking out a lot of beads. So I'm only going to use like a few big buttons. And you want a lot of room so you can actually so you can make a better noise. Like, this. But I recommend not hitting this so you bump it up and down and then hit it towards you or hit it back, because then it will eventually probably just do this. Smack. Probably just smack you in the head. Honestly, because it's stretchy string. You can use regular string, so it's easier to make the sound. But if you want a challenge to make some sound on New Year's, I recommend this. See, that's a really good noise. And I'm also going to show you another thing. See, have you ever got a pen that has like those things, so when you write it goes like... Well, yeah, mine fell off my pen, so we're going to use this today with a piece of string and a candy cane pen. Yes, walking in a winter wonderland. Oh, quick Steven Universe song. Wait, let me think of Okay, I'm just thinking of Steven Universe songs. Oh, and guys, my next video, actually, never mind. I'm not going to do the next thing, but in my next video today, I'm probably going to make a Steven Universe theory. So stick around today for that. Stick around. And make sure to hit that subscribe button, don't let your dog, just keep your cat and your dog off your keyboard. Okay? Can you do that so you can like it and they won't unlike it? We all know that they'll unlike it, but bye!